Lifting operation. We perform many activities in a day, and lifting operation is one of the critical operations that we can observe at any work site. Due to the critical operation and lack of awareness, there have been reports of many incidents that occurred while handling material. Let us have a look at the hazards related to material handling. Main causes for the incidents are defective wire rope sling, violation of the set procedures, such as not using instruction provided by the manufacturer for using a machine. For example, not using the load chart, ignoring the alarms, etc. Using equipment without checking it and its safety. Not following the guidelines of maintaining the equipment according to the manufacturer's instructions. For example, not checking load indicator, boom angle indicator, swinging alarm, reverse alarm, upper limit switch, etc. Allowing incompetent or unauthorized staff to use the equipment. Any part of the crane touching the overhead electrical wires, which can result in electrocution. Grounds not being firm and outrigger not fully extended, which may result in tripping, imbalance or trapping of the crane. Presence of workers in the line of fire. Poor communication between banksman and lifting equipment operator. Using equipment in extraordinary and adverse weather conditions. Equipment used for material handling. Now, we will learn about equipment used in handling of heavy objects, the associated dangers, and the safety techniques required while using the equipment so as to avoid incidents. The equipment used in material handling are categorized into two parts: lifting tools and tackles. Lifting tools and tackles are used to attach load or material to the lifting machines. For example, web sling, wire rope, chains, D-shackle, hooks, chains and spreader bar, etc. Lifting equipment. Lifting equipment are used for lifting load or material and moving it from one place to another with the help of lifting tools and tackles. For example, tower crane, telescopic crane, side boom, crawler crane, tool carrier, EOT crane, and forklift. Safety during lifting. Now, let us understand the safety rules to be followed while performing a lifting operation. Now, let us understand the safety rules to be followed while lifting operation. No person shall be allowed in the cordoned area other than the banksman and helpers. No person shall be allowed on the trailer and on the crane while loading and offloading. Safety applied, then the weight will get lifted in a tilted position instead of a straight position. In such cases, the sling will have unnecessary weight and the load may become imbalanced, which is dangerous. This kind of problem must be rectified immediately. If the angle of sling triangle is bigger, it will create more pressure on the sling. This will reduce the capacity of the lifting weight. Make sure that the angle of the sling triangle is smaller, which will increase the capacity of lifting weight and is a safe condition. Lifted weight should be properly tied up by the guide rope so that it does not hit any person or object. Do not use equipment in any extraordinary and adverse conditions such as strong wind, heavy rain, heavy dust, thick fog, etc. Don't use cell phones or other electronic devices like music player, headphones, etc. while operating the cranes. If you consume alcohol or drugs, then do not conduct any lifting operation. While maintaining the equipment, make sure to turn the engine off. Take the keys out. Use wheel chokes and support the hydrolocks with a hard object. When the crane is not operating, then the operator should lock the cabin and place the key in a safe, authorized place. Remember, you are empowered and obligated to stop if any unsafe action or condition is observed. Report unsafe actions and unsafe conditions to your supervisor or safety advisor. Friends, now you have gained knowledge about lifting operation. If you have any questions, please contact your supervisor or safety advisor.